Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how to make a video successfully for your Fiverr gig, or a welcome video for your Fiverr gig, or you make the video to earn on Fiverr. As you can see, look at the keyword I searched, deep male voiceover. This is the keyword I searched now, and there is 500 sellers in this niche. And the reason why I put forward this to you is you're going to learn how to be able to use different voices to advertise and to explain some things to the audience without you talking at all. Do you understand? So, firstly, I want you to see how the first thing here looks like. There are various successful sellers here. You can also be a successful seller as long as you take this video seriously and you watch this video to the end. So before I review the website I'm talking about, it's very well known worldwide, but I need you to do me a favor. Just 5 seconds. Kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video, comment in the comment section. If you feel to tell me anything about what you tried and how did it go, just comment in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out in any way I can. So now let me dive down to my new tab and show you guys the website I'm talking about. The name of the website is called clipchamp. Clipchamp help you to create video, YouTube video videos, Instagram videos, all social media videos you want to make. You can make it on clipchamp successfully. So right now, this video link, this website link is going to be in my video description. So do check it out and sign up on clipchamp and start everything. So now I'm going to click on this link, which I have done before. So you click on the link, it will automatically take you down to the page where you have to sign up. So I already signed up. Immediately I signed up, I click on this add folder. I added my folder, which is my brand name is written here. So the first thing you're going to do right now after doing that is click on create a video. Do you see this bar? Click on it, create a video. Then you wait for once it's done loading, then you will do this. So now as you can see, there are various buttons here. There's and create, templates, music and XFX, stock videos, stock image, text, graphics, translations and lots more are below. Brand kits. So right now I'm going to click on record and create. So there's 4 options here. 4 options are here. The first one is screen and camera, which you can use this to make a YouTube video. I hope you know that, guys. Camera, you can use that to also make a video. Screen, only your screen will be recorded, and where I want to dive down into right now is text to speech. So whatever I type in this bar is going to be speaked out by this website, and there is automatically different effects I can use irrespective of the language I want it to say. As you can see, there is various languages here, Arabic, every language are here. So the thing is, right now I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste something I wish to make. Sorry, I'm coming. So guys, I already pasted the content I want this website to pronounce in a different voice for me. So as you can see, you're going to start from language. I already put my language, English language, and voice. Which voice do you want to come from? Jenny is lady. So I'm going to add a guy here. A guy voice is what I want this website to put in this content. So general, you should speak in general or excited, and I want to speak in an excited way because I'm excited you are watching my video right now. So right now, if I want the speech to speak regular or fast, regular is okay for me because I speak regularly and I don't speak too fast. So voice speech, I want it to be medium because you don't have to be too loud and you don't have to be too slow. So before you see this media, click on this play button. You see this play button, play. Once I click on this play button, I won't say anything. So you will listen to how this is going to sound like. I'm going to test a guy voice and a lady's voice. So do wait for it. Okay, I'm clicking the button now. You have to wait. Then once downloading, it is speak out. Just wait a few seconds now. Few seconds now. Still loading.
Hello, my name is Questionnaire REI, an enthusiastic, passionate, and straightforward in digital marketing and email marketing. I have a professionalism of over 4-year experience in this field of work.
So guys, this is what I'm saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. For example, you want this to be in your gig image on Fiverr, or you got a project as a voiceover on Fiverr. They want you to pick a celebrity. There are some celebrities' voice here, like Amber, Anna. Some celebrities that people do demand for their voices, like Christopher. Other celebrities' voice are here, which people demand for their voice on Fiverr, and there's no way you're gonna get them than using clipchamp. So I'm going to click on Jenny, the voice of a lady, to say the same content with a voice of a lady. So I'm going to click on play. Wait a few seconds for it to load. Like this
Hello,
video.
my name is Questionnaire REI, an enthusiastic, passionate, and straightforward in digital marketing and email marketing. I have a professionalism of over 4-year experience in this field of work.
Nice. So once you're done, you just click on save media, save to media, and also if you want to add additional images to that, you see preparing is 0%. Once it's done 100%, then you can edit the voice, like adding some extra images to the voice. You see, it is done now. Everything is done.
Hello, my name is Questionnaire REI. Hello, my name is Questionnaire REI, an enthusiastic, passionate, and straightforward in digital marketing and email.
So right now, I want to add timeline. I want to add it to timeline on my YouTube, but I'm thinking of editing the voice.
Hello, my name is Questionnaire.
But now I'm going to click on export. There is 4 types I can export here, but the video is going to be in MP4 file. But if you want to change it from MP4 to MP3, there's another website I'm going to show you. You're going to do that in my next video. How to change from MP4 down to MP3 successfully. That's going to be my next video. Do stay tuned for my next video, guys. I really appreciate everything. I'll download this now, and once you're done downloading it, name it the gig title of your gig on Fiverr in order for it to rank also with your easily. I will advise you to do this while you are creating a new gig. Don't edit your current gig adding a video to it. It is kind of risky, but you could try it out for a level account, like level 1, level 2, top rated. You're free to do all these kind of things, but a new seller shouldn't try this yet. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate your time. Do stay tuned for my next video. Kindly subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thank you. Bye, guys.